Hi, welcome to the Focused Brains channel. Today we are doing MCQ questions of History chapter The Rise of Nationalism in Europe. Stay tuned for more MCQs and assertions and reasons of this chapter. For now, let's get started.
Question 41. Which region is ruled by the Habsburg Empire? The right option is A. Austria, Hungary. Question 42. What was the main feature of the pattern of land holding prevailing in the Eastern and Central Europe? The right option is B. Vast estates. Question 43. Which country began to use language as a weapon of national resistance? The right option is A. Poland. Question 44. Which major issue was criticized against by the liberal nationalists? The right option is A. Censorship laws to control the press. Question 45. Which is true for modern state? The right option is C. A centralized power exercised sovereign control over a clearly defined territory. Question 46. The denial of universal suffrage in Europe led to. The right option is B. Women and non-propertied men organizing opposition movements demanding equal rights throughout 19th and early 20th centuries. Question 47. Which of the following is not a feature or belief of conservatism? The right option is C. A return to the society of pre-revolutionary days. Question 48. Repression of liberal revolutionaries after 1815 in Europe led to. Right option is B. Secret societies being formed in many European states to train revolutionaries and spread their ideas. Question 49. Which one of the following is not regarding the reforms carried out by the union called Zollverein? The right option is B. Opposition of unhindered movement of goods, people and capital in member states. Question 50. Which one of the following was not implemented under the Treaty of Vienna of 1815? The right option is D. Diluting the German Confederation of 39 states. Question 51. Who among the following was described as the most dangerous enemy of social order by Duke Metternich? The right option is C. Giuseppe Mazzini. Question 52. Who hosted the Vienna Congress held in 1815? The right option is B. Duke Metternich of Austria. Question 53. Name the countries who met in Vienna in 1815 for the Vienna Congress. The right option is C. Prussia, Russia, Britain, Austria. Question 54. Which part of the Europe was under the autocratic monarchies within the territories of which lived the diverse people? The right option is B. Eastern and Central Europe. Question 55. In Hungary, half of the population speak which language? The right option is C. Magyar. Question 56. In alpine regions, the Tyrol, Asturia and the Sudetenland as well as Bohemia, the aristocracy speak which language? The right option is A. German. Question 57. Which language is used by people of provinces Lombardy and Venetia? The right option is D. Italian. Question 58. Which statement is not correct for aristocracy in Europe? The right option is D. They are numerically a large group. Question 59. Which statement is not correct for peasantry in Europe? The right option is A. They spoke French language. Question 60. Which ideology came into being that brings the idea of national unity in early 19th century in Europe? The right option is A. Liberalism. Question 61. What was the name given to the customs union initiated by Prussia and when was it formed? The right option is B. Zollverein 1834. Question 62. Politically, what did liberalism stood for? The right option is D. All of these. Question 63. Among which classes did the idea of national unity, the abolition of aristocratic privileges, gained popularity? The right option is C. Liberal middle class. Question 64. In the economic sphere, the term liberalism stood for. The right option is C. Freedom of market and abolition of state imposed restriction on trade. Question 65. Identify which was not the correct feature of Zollverein. The right option is C. It reduced the number of currencies from 30 to 3. Question 66. Which year marked the defeat of Napoleon? The right option is D. 1815. Question 67. Which treaty drew up with the object of undoing most of the changes that had come about in Europe during the Napoleonic Wars? The right option is B. The Treaty of Vienna of 1815. Question 68. A merchant travelling from Hamburg to Nuremberg in the first half of the 19th century had to pass through how many custom barriers to sell his goods? The right option is D. 11. Question 69. Which European powers defeated Napoleon? The right option is B. Britain, Austria, Prussia, Russia. Question 70. Which of the following was not the objective of Treaty of Vienna 1815? The right option is D. The main intention was to restore the liberal democratic order that had been overthrown by Napoleon. Question 71. Who said, when France sneezes, the rest of the Europe catches cold? The right option is D. Duke Metternich. Question 72. Why the nationalist Greeks got the support of West European nations? The right option is D. All the above. Question 73. German philosopher Johann Gottfried Herder claimed that the true German culture among the. The right option is A. The common people thus walk. Question 74. Which country was appreciated as cradle of European civilization by poets and artists? The right option is C. Greece. Question 75. Which treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation? The right option is B. Treaty of Constantinople. Question 76. Artisans, industrial workers and peasants revolted against which one of the following in 1848 Europe? The right option is A. Economic hardship. Question 77. Romanticism refers to a. The right option is D. Cultural movement. Question 78. When did Napoleon invade Italy? The right option is C. 1797. Question 79. In which year did the Greek struggle for independence begin? The right option is A. 1821. Question 80. Which empire has Greece been under since 15th century? The right option is B. Ottoman Empire.